Guys, and here are your 6 daily arithmetic answers. So the first question, you're dividing 1440 by 12, so you need to put it into a bus stop method. So 1440 would go inside the bus stop and 12 would need to go outside. So first of all, you need to see how many 12s are in 1. There are 0. How many 12s are in 14? We know there's 1. And then we put our 12 below our 14, because 1 times 12 is obviously 12. And then what we need to do is take 12 away from 14. So 4 take away 2 is 2, and 1 take away 1 is 0. So I won't put anything there, I'll leave it blank. And then you need to drop the next digit down, which is a 4. So how many 12s are in 24? Well, I know there's 2. And it's equally as well, with no remainders. And finally, I look at how many 12s are in 0. Well, I know there are 0. So what I need to do is drop that 0 down. Put my 0 here. And then because I've got a remainder of 0, that is my answer. Okay, so your answer is 120. So my next question is 91 multiplied by 6. I need to put this into a formal method. And I will need to start multiplying from the smallest digits. So 1 times 6 is 6, and 6 times 9 is 54. So your answer is 546. Question 3. Adding 2 numbers together, I would recommend putting the big number on top in your formal method. And putting the smallest number below, just ensuring that all of these digits are in their correct place value. Otherwise you will get an incorrect answer. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1 over. 7 plus 0 is 0. Plus the 1 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4,184 is your answer. Okay, whenever you divide a number by 1, the answer is always the original number you started with. So 215 divided by 1, well, I know that there's 215 ones in 215, so that is your answer. Next question. Subtracting 2 numbers away from each other, 2 quite large numbers, so we'll need to put them both into a formal method to get the correct answer. But again, ensuring that you're putting the digits in the correct place value. So now I've put it into my formal method, I can start subtracting the numbers away from each other. So 2 take away 9 I can't do, so I need to borrow from next door. 2 becomes a 1, that 2 becomes a 12. 12 take away 9 is 3. 1 take away 2 you can't do, so we have to borrow again. 1 becomes a 0, that 1 becomes 11. 11 take away 2 is 9. 0 take away 8 we can't do, so we borrow. 9 becomes an 8. 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 8 take away 5 is 3. 0 take away 4 we can't do. Borrow 1. 3 becomes a 2. 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 4 is 6. And 2 take away nothing is 2. Remember my trick, 1, 2, 3, and put the comma in front of the third digit from the right, just to chunk it. So you've got 263,293 is your answer. And finally, we're going on to adding 2 decimals together. So 1.98 would go on top. Ensure that you put the decimal point in the correct place, line them up correctly, and you've got 0.019. And I will need a placeholder here. Now, the operation that we're using is we are adding them together. And we start adding from the smallest digit. So 0 plus 9 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So your answer is 1.999. Okay, look at your answers. See if you got them correct. If not, if they're incorrect, go back through the workings, see where you've made a mistake, and then you can practice some of those types of questions to improve and to get better at them. Okay, well done guys, tremendous work as always, and I'll see you tomorrow for another 6 arithmetic questions.